You're 100
Happy birthday, Kat.
Happy birthday.
Where's the music?
Oh my goodness, that's you! That's you! I want to show off my Doc Martens because they're really, really cool.
Are they real?
Yeah, what are you trying to say? I buy fake stuff?
No.
No?
Just asking.
Yeah?
They're nice shoes.
Yeah, that'll be good, thank you.
Welcome to college.
Yeah. Yeah. How fun is this school?
Right, so we're just heading off to the TV room because we're going to do like our live TV thing for our client, which I'm not really meant to say, I don't think, so yeah, should be good. I'm presenting.
But I know, because you know what, I'm amazing. Oh, everyone say hello to Kat's vlog.
Oh my god, my eyebrows are hurting from smiling so much. Hello. Your eyebrows are hurting.
Everyone say hi to Kat's vlog. Hey.
They call me Jane. That's not my name. My name's
Kat's vlog.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
Richard, what do you have to say to Kat's vlog?
Happy birthday.
Is it all of it?
Yeah, but it's not on Netflix though.
It's not.
I got a vegan pasta.
Who said we pretended?
It's not good for the publicity.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kat. Happy birthday to you.
There might be something to do with this.
Got a live show.
We'll talk, the next one you're talking into.
Today is Kat's birthday.
Yay!
Kat, your next song that you're talking out of is, drumroll please, Kasabian. 3, 2.
It's almost 2 p.m, which means it's nearly time for me to hand you over to...
I've made my first vlog before. You want to bet? I've done it when I was travelling, me, Luke and Sam. We done a little vlog in Amsterdam? No, Rotterdam.
Okay. Hello.
Hey guys.
Hello. This is Luke. It's weird because the camera's right there. Anyway, show us this video, Katrina. Then.
Hello, Kat's channel. We are working with Young Enterprise today on a CVN interview workshop. I feel like Kat has got the camera really close to my face.
No, that's fine.
That's so cute. Thank you. There's so much in here.
I know. It's very heavy, you know.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. I feel like he's not gonna know where to put our food if it comes. He's gonna be like, oh, should I go?
There's gonna be so much stuff.
He's gonna put it back in the kitchen. Yeah, got it.
Almond and raisin cacao brownie. Ooh, mini. I'm literally gonna have so many stacks next week. I'm gonna be like, oh, let me skip. I'm gonna bring this whole thing. And then just be like, what shall I have? Is this like a candle?
Yeah. I don't know if you like the smell though. It's like okay.
That is, it smells, you know those like oranges that
Yeah.
have, like orange sweets? It smells like that.
Coming, the food's coming.
There we go. Should I bait you? It's up to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you want to film yours?
Yeah.
I think this is like the chili stuff. That's like the peanut sauce.
Verdict. How is it?
Delicious.
What did you get?
Spicy chicken soup.
Spicy chicken pho. Pho restaurant.
That's it, thank you. No, thank you.